Now that I got the axle out of the GTO, I cut the spring brackets out so I can get better access to the floor. But the plan is to cut out from the bottom here all the way around to the back and then notch it out over and down for mini tub so I could fit a little bit wider tire in here. Here's the shock and spring bracket I cut off to make more room for the tire. This is what it looks like. I'll show you the stock side. So here's the stock side on the 2004 GTO to 2006. And the tire touches right here where the spring bracket is, and right flush with the basically this side of the fender. And back here it rubs on this back here. I don't know if that's a rub mark. And then it's basically flush with the fender right here, or the bumper. Now let's see how much more room we gained. On the side that I cut out, if I put the wheel in there to where it touches on the back side, then I could fit my whole fist inside the fender well all the way around. So please subscribe, because next time I'm going to be installing a different axle, not the stock one that came with the GTO, and mocking it up and building some other stuff and brackets and stuff to get ready for the new axle. The main reason why I pulled the axle out of my GTO is because it's only held on by these 4 bolts on top, and they snap off, and this back brace snaps off too. You could make it stronger, but then the inside of the diff gets weak, and then the axles, this is a little aluminum piece, this starts breaking and falls apart.